Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my mini pancakes. I start off by grabbing my pancake premix. I then add an egg, some sour cream, and a cup of water. I use the same portions as the bag says, but instead of butter, I use sour cream. And then I mix it with my hand mixer. I use my pan that has a bunch of smiley faces. I love this pan because it equally distributes the mini pancakes. This pan specifically has smiley faces on them, which is really cute, so you can see. I do 6 minutes on each side on medium to high heat, and then I butter them individually. You can add whatever you want on them. I'm adding chocolate chips on half of them because some of my kids like those.
Of beans and maize on a small farm in Uganda, laying back to count the stars from somewhere in Afghanistan.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This is just a day in my life and how I make these mini pancakes.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like and share. Bye.
Islam will unite us all, sing children of the world.